Welcome to Online WHS. In this short video, I will highlight how Online WHS can help protect you from safety legislation non-compliance, but also make it easy and practical to do so. Typically, local government departments have multiple work sites, including roadworks, parks and gardens, community centres, council buildings, libraries, aquatic and childcare centres. Managing all these different facets of their business can be extremely difficult, and usually many local governments have multiple systems to do so. This is not cost effective and also hard to develop comprehensive reports across all the departments. That's where Online WHS is not only cost effective and supports a multi-site structure, it also helps protect your council from safety legislation non-compliance and reduces the need for multiple systems. In the Online WHS system, it allows multiple sites or departments to be entered into the system in a hierarchical structure. This allows each department to literally become their own entity within the system. Data entered into any site filters upwards to the parent site to give comprehensive reports. Online WHS is comprehensive with over 40 different registers interlinking to create one easy-to-use system. But don't be frightened. Imagine scanning a QR code on your machinery to be taken directly to a pre-start safety checklist on your mobile phone. And once completed, the system automatically saving the completed checklist in your system's log to show compliance. Now that's easy. Not only does the system have an easy-to-use QR code feature, it also has a step-by-step helper to show the user how to use every single form and register in the system. This not only helps you get up and running much quicker and in training costs, but also anyone can use the system. The Online WHS system helps an employer's duty to comply with work health and safety obligations a little easier. To learn more about how Online WHS can help protect you from safety legislation non-compliance, please contact us. Online WHS. It's more than just a safety system, it's your complete integrated management system.